Hello and thank you for joining me. My name is Jerry Sarmiento. I'm the full-time trader from Cypress, right outside Houston, Texas. A beautiful day today, sunny, very nice. Unfortunately, there's a lot of pollen and I have allergies, so I'm suffering through that. But today is Wednesday, March 20. Happy sales tax day. How I know that is because I own a restaurant, a small business, and every 20th of the month we have to pay sales taxes to the controller's office for the previous month. But I did that last night just to get it off my list of things to do today. And but today is FOMC day. FOMC is the day when Chairman Powell spoke at 1 p.m. my time, 2 p.m. New York Eastern time, and that's when he says if rates are going to be raised or stay the same or drop a little bit. The entering into today's talk, the market was looking at a dovish speech, meaning that for the most part, and I read it somewhere, like 93, 97 some percent of the market is thinking that the rates are going to stay unchanged, and 1 point some percent thinks they're going to go lower. So it's a very dovish position. And the title of my video today is how to trade the FOMC. Well, this is the way I trade the FOMC. I don't because it's a low probability day. I like to have my edge, telling me that there are a few stocks that I really think they're gonna move a certain way because my method tells me which way they're gonna go. But then there are external things that could happen, like FOMC announcements. You don't know which way he's gonna talk, which way his speech is gonna go. You don't know if the market is gonna collapse or it's gonna climb. So let me get me out of here so I can show you where the market is right now. This is my view of the 5-minute charts on the SPY, the Qs, and the Dow. They all open down. They open here, and this is the opening price. They all start moving, like the SPY start moving sideways for a long time, hugging this support line, which was resistance before, but now is support at the 281.27 price area and under the opening price. So it was like hovering around here, and I said maybe this thing is gonna collapse. The Qs did the same thing. They opened, they start moving around opening price, and same thing with the diamonds, the Dow. Okay, and this is the time when the speech came out from Chairman Powell, 1 p.m. today. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart, so that is 2 p.m. Eastern. This is right after. So look at the market, how it reacted. It reacted really positively. Okay, it reacted really positively, which is good news for my swing trades. Although I have put some tight stops on my swing trades just in case the worst happened and things went down. But everything looks fine for now. You never know what's gonna happen. But just for the fun of it, I did open a paper account on TradeStation. This is a paper account, and just for the fun of it, look at that. I would be losing $771 right now on a short position of 500 shares. This is all make pretend, of course, because I don't trade on FOMC days. But I enter here before going to the gym. This was what time was that? That was 10:50. I go to the gym usually around that time, and I stay in the gym from 11 to now. I take my time doing whatever I want to do at the gym to feel good for the rest of the day. And but I opened this position on a short, just for the fun of it. I said, normally I would say an SMAR. I didn't even check it, but I think there was some bad news on SMAR. I'm not sure what it was, but anyway, this is the pattern on the 5-minute chart of SMAR. Normally, this would be a base right here. Is moving sideways, and we know why it's moving sideways because everybody's waiting for FOMC talk. So if it's but in a normal day, if I use my strategy, which is, I would have a strong catalyst, SMAR probably would have had a very bad news. I don't know if it was financial reporting related or whatever, but that would be one of my main thing that I take into consideration. Then I would look at support levels on the daily and resistance levels. Then I would look at patterns, and this pattern obviously is a consolidation pattern. And this time, assuming I had bad news, is trading under VWAP, trading under the opening price, I would bet on this thing to collapse and go move down. Of course, I didn't do any analysis. I didn't look at my level 2, my level 3, my time and sales. I didn't look at any of that. I just went to the gym and came back, and here is the result of the FOMC. It just climbed up along with the market, and it put me in a loss position of about $700. So it was a fun thing to do for the day, and just to illustrate my point, in which I don't really like to trade during FOMC days. And but again, I'm back here. I just wanted to say thank you for joining me again. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I keep posting videos. Hopefully they are interesting to you. And I'll be back sometime again this week, hopefully. Let's see if something exciting happens in the markets, either the forex market or the equities. But until then, I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Cheers.